Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a basic brown eye because I really wanted to go with like a nude, so I just really thought brown and shimmer. I really just wanted some easy because I'm trying to show the easy colors today. So I will first start off with using some moisturizer. As always, I use the oil-free moisturizer from Neutrogena and I will oil my face. Okay, I'm going to go in with my clear brow gel I got from e.l.f., which is really simple. You just put it on your brow. I already arched my brows over a couple days ago, so I don't need to arch them for a while. Got these things looking natural enough, so. And I really don't want to fill my eyebrows in for a while, so really been growing these bad boys out. Okay, we're going to go in with our concealer, which I use the Pro LA Girl Concealer, the color Toffee for my eyes. This is for my eyeshadow. And we're just going to blend that in, and I'm going to set it with my powder. Okay, so I have my concealer and it looked kind of crazy, but I always go just like under my eye with the rest of it because you're going to use it under the eye, so it doesn't really matter. So as I set that with my bronzer powder from BH Cosmetics, I'm going to go in with my palette, which is 35M. This is what it looks like. And we are going to be using we're going to be using some of these brown colors. I am going to take the brightest brown there is, and I'm going to put that on the base of my eye. It looks like a coffee color. And this looks more like a brownish nude for my skin color. Okay, so this is what it looks like after. I absolutely love this. So I was gonna do shimmer, but I said no because I wanted to also show you guys how easy it is to work with one color. This is the color Peachy Keen in the Morphe palette 35M. Really cute, basic brown on the go when you're going anywhere. It works with anything, so that's the good thing about the browns. And all I did was put this on my lids and just blended it in one color. That's it. So now we're gonna go in with our liner. I'm gonna line my eyes. And I'm also going to put a black eyeshadow over the liner to make it look more matte. Okay, so I have my liner on, guys. I'm going to go in with the rest of this face. So I'm going to take my 355 Maybelline Fit Me Foundation, and I'm going to blend this all on my face. Let's get this on here. And yes, I already put my eyeliner, and I put the just any black eyeshadow over it to make it matte. And it's because I don't have the liquid gel liner. Well, I don't have the liquid eyeliner, so it doesn't set matte. So I just use black eyeshadow. It's also a good hack if you don't have any eyeliner, you can use black eyeshadow. Okay, so next we are going to take our 3 different concealers. I used the Pro LA Girl Concealer, the colors Toffee and Toffee and Cool Tan. Then I used the BH Cosmetics. I used the same 3 because they just blend out perfectly together, which is the color 119. I believe it's also called tan, but I just know the number is 119 on BH Cosmetics. And I mixed that one because it's a really tan, like a really tan color. And it's a total coverage. Very thick concealer. And I only put a dab of it on here because so it blends out a lot. So we're just gonna blend this out, guys. Okay, now that we are done blending it, guys, I'm going to take my powder brush and I'm going to go in and set this foundation and concealer. There's so much liquid going on here, guys. You got to set your face. And I just use my bronzer, but you can use any, obviously, any powder. So now I will take the same brush I used for that brown for my eye, and I'm going to just use the excess product, and I'm going to go under my eye with that color. Okay, I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. It's a really light brown. That's what's under my eyes right now, guys. So I'm gonna go and blush this face in with some highlighter. I'm using my Blush and Bali palette from BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna put some on my blush, which is just a coral color. It's very pink. So I'm gonna lightly put that on my cheek. I say lightly, but I just went all in. Okay. So next we're gonna go in with our mascara and lashes, and you guys will see the final product of this really simple look. So see you soon. And here we go. This is the finished look, guys. I already set my face, put my lip gloss on, lashes, everything. This is it, and I absolutely love it. I love this look the most because it shows that you can get perfect results with one color. As you guys see, this is just one eyeshadow color. It looked really cute. It looked cute, like you can call it smoky eye, brown eye. I don't really know what you call it. Basic nude, because it's like a little lighter than my skin color. That's why I say nude, but it's not a nude. It's just a light brown color, but you can wear this color anywhere. I absolutely love it. This is legit an everyday color, everyday look. This is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. I actually might start doing like a little series of doing like just one colors to show you that you can get really good results with just one thing, with one color. Because a lot of people have problems with like mixing, and you really don't have to do all that to get like a really bright color. You can use one color and have really good results. So I might start doing that, y'all. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.